As dawn breaks, our daring adventurer steps into the frame, armed with nothing but their courage and an unquenchable thirst for discovery. A vast, lush 3D jungle stretches out before them, alive with the stirrings of the unknown. The adventurer takes their first step, setting forth on a path that is shrouded in the mists of legend, the secret path of the jungle. As they journey deeper, the adventurer encounters creatures rarely seen by human eyes, unexpected, fascinating, both intimidating yet endearing in their novelty. The screen vibrates with their calls, mingling with the rustle of leaves and the constant drum of life that is the jungle's heartbeat. Deeper they go, until a glimmer in the underbrush catches their eye. Ancient treasures emerge from the belly of the jungle landscape, rusty, weathered, whispering tales of a past long forgotten. Our adventurer's eyes ignite with the thrill of discovery. These tales are no longer silent, and our adventurer, the story's scribe, has just begun their chronicle. Join us on an